played that boy.
She drop a jaw cause she ready. You know I gotta stay steady. I can't let them catch me lacking. I keep the 40 in my jacket. Yeah, back of the coupe. You already know I ride. You already know I slide. Yeah, back of the coupe. You already know I ride. You already know I slide. Yeah, look at your eyes, you petty. Try to play me like a man. Now I gotta let you pass me. Stay focused like a addy. Yeah, you say go ride.
Hey you guys, welcome back. Yo, it has been a minute since I have made a video. So, first of all, welcome all my new people. We don't have a name over here yet. But if y'all ever paid attention to my old movie reviews, whenever I did something creepy, you know what I'm saying, I always called my people my ghouls and my goblins. So you don't have to be ghouls and goblins, you guys, but that's what I usually say. So I'm just wearing some comfy sweatpants and a zombie t-shirt. We are going to review a couple of, well, not review, but react to a couple of trailers. Matter of fact, no, we're not going to do trailers today. We're going to do short films. Yes, let's do some short film. It's Moonlight. He's pissed. Okay, so let's do, I think it's called The Last Bus Home. And let's do Man on the Train. Have you guys checked that out? I haven't seen it. I've heard, about it. So let's do this together, you guys. I'm sipping on some wine. I have a bottle of water, and don't come for me. I have a piece of pie that I got from the ShopRite Browns. So we're gonna have pie and wine. All right, you guys, let's go. Man on the Train. Here we go. Well, damn. That was just a commercial. All right, here we go. Man on the Train. Okay. That's what I do when I get on the train. I look, because I like to sit like in a corner somewhere. I don't like to sit next to people. First of all, I ain't sitting next to nobody. I like to sit next to the window, and I like to sit in the back. I also, now if it's a crowded train, put me near the exit. I need to be able to get going. And she done put her dirty ass fingers in her eyes. And that's what I don't like, is you see people looking at my damn face when I'm sitting on the train.
Camera and everything's fine, right? Like we're shooting.
So I wouldn't have been turned toward them.
It's getting a bit weird.
Even though that's crazy. And I watch a lot of creepy shit. I had my back somewhere.
So yeah, then he wanted me to look at the pictures. So I went round his side of
the shop right there. I dropped a little bit on the floor. I know Batman happy.
And around my back.
Okay.
Why didn't you call me?
That's another thing I like, when you can see in between the seats, you be like, Dad.
So like, parks up there for a second, okay? Cut forward 2 months
I
later.
can't stop eating this
You remember
pie.
that girl Jane, whose number I was trying to get
Fuck the movie.
Yeah, before you go to the street.
Yeah, he hurt.
That's okay, I sent her a message.
Pie good, dog.
I just feel
I'll go for a few.
Let's talk about this pie.
She asked me, like, where do you work? I said, I work at Casay's. And she said, no.
Now see, I had my phone out. First of all, I had my headphones on, so I hadn't heard nothing. I had my phone out. All right, the people gone. What the hell? Am I licking my lipstick off? The man gone. Well, I call the women people and the men the That was bad. See, I ain't playing with this big nosed bastard. See, now that's when I would have got up. That's when I would have got up, and then I would have stopped looking at him. We got on sunglasses? Or was that his eyes? Why he gonna go like that? See, I'd have been on the phone by now. I'm like, hello? Somebody. Oh, I had to go live, okay? Hello, somebody. Hey, you guys. No. No. He not gonna do that. He not gonna do that. He not gonna do that. Cause out of pool, it's like, see what I'm saying? What's wrong with his nose? That's like that last train home. I mean, that's not the, I'm just saying, that's like the last train going home. Y'all like my dinosaur? Wally World. It was like $10. Wish it was black. Or violet, like a deeper color than that, but that's cool. Faux up. I'm like, wow! I get scared and jump. The end. Okay, well that was quick, fast, and easy. All right. Let me eat some more pie. How do I feel about that? For the people who don't like creepy shit, that was creepy. For horror lovers like me, it was corny. But it did what it did. Shit like that. I would never want to catch the last train. I would always want to pair up with somebody. I would be on my phone. I'd never saw his ass because I'd have been on my phone and looking out the window. So eventually his fucking, excuse me, his reflection would have been in the mirror. I mean, in the window, because I never saw all of that goofy shit he was doing to scare me. All that peeking in between. I never saw none of that. I'd have been like just listening to my music. Bopping and shit. Then when he did that, I'd have jumped because I get spooked quick. I'd be like, oh, and I'd have hit him. The end. It was cute. If I had to give it some stars, 1 being the lowest, 3 being the highest, I'd have gave it 1 star and a little shade, just because it did give you a little. All right, you guys, so they would be collecting trash. I'll be back. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to stay safe, sane, and positive. Remember that every step counts. I love you.